What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Intriguing Investments. Before we get started, make sure you guys slap a like on this video. It really helps out a lot. Share this video with your friends so they can learn all about this. Subscribe if you're new and turn on the post notification bell so you guys stay up to date with all of our latest and greatest videos. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a certified financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Anything you see here, please do your own research on before investing. Without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video, we have a quick short video, but we have some news that has been brought to light from Decentraland. If you guys are a part of the NFT community or the crypto Web3 community at all, I'm sure you are very aware of what Decentraland is. Decentraland is essentially a metaverse platform where you can build different things on different lands. A lot of big companies have entered into this space and it is constantly growing. The land in this platform goes for thousands on thousands of dollars, and if you were able to get in early, you were going to make a huge flip on it. But that is not the topic of today's video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how content creators and just creators in general can make money from this platform now. So one big thing that they posted today is they are now introducing royalties. Royalties are coming to Decentraland, and it is about time that this came, because we've seen so many people lose out on so much money. So many creators create so much good products inside of this metaverse platform and they aren't receiving any royalties on it. But now the tides have changed. Things are about to get real. Content creators of anything inside the metaverse are going to be banking on this opportunity. Up until now, when a wearable creator made a sale in the primary market, they received the listing price minus the commission of 2.5%, which went to the Decentraland DAO. However, the sale occurred in the secondary market. The owner of the item, not necessarily the original creator, received the sale price minus the 2.5% commission, which still went to the DAO. With the implementation of royalties in Decentraland Marketplace, our primary market commission is destined to be the DAO, while those in the secondary marketplace will now go straight to the creative hands behind the wearables. Creators of new and existing collections on Polygon will be able to set a beneficiary address per item in the collection management tool, be it themselves or a third party. If a wearable is sold multiple times, it is now up to the creator to decide who benefits from all these sales, which is going to be huge because not only the creators are going to get it, you can even have a utility now where you are going to gain a percentage of the royalties from this NFT. And I really see this being a long-term beneficial thing for the NFT community, and I really think it's going to start empowering a lot more creators to start moving towards this NFT community and to start creating items that people are going to want to trade and continuously trade, because these royalties are only going to benefit the creators of these projects. Or if it is a utility where someone benefits from holding it, that can also be something huge, and it's just opening more doors for NFTs and the NFT community in general. Well, guys, this was just a quick little video, a little update of what Decentraland is doing. For all of you creators out there, I hope you guys hop on this opportunity, create some stuff in Decentraland. You know, I might even be releasing my own thing in Decentraland very soon. We got something in the works we're working on, and I will let you guys know all about that as soon as I have all the details. But until next time, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, slap a like on it and share this video with your friends. It really helps out a lot, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace.